After you have taken your exam, one of the first questions that you probably have is, when will I get my results back? So today in this video, I'm going to be sharing what I've noticed after taking the test 3 times and what you can expect after you take your FE exam. So let's get straight into it. So I took the test, like I said, 3 times, and I noticed that every single time they would send out the results at similar times. So it's crazy. What they typically will do is it takes about maybe a week, a little bit more, maybe a little less, for you to get your results. And they typically release those results on a Wednesday. Now, it is very important, if you take the test on like a Tuesday, it's probably you're not going to have your results the following day. That's just not how it works. It'll be about a week. They put it into the system. They grade all the other people's, and the people who passed, they are typically they get alerted first. So on each time that I received my scores, it was on a Wednesday, and two of those Wednesdays for me were really frustrating because I didn't pass my exam. And so if you took the exam and you don't feel the best about the exam, and you feel like you could have potentially failed, or let's say in a week you get your results back and you didn't pass, and then that is okay. It is completely normal. I do make content to help you out, to go over those concepts that you may not have mastered. I walk you step by step, so be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you know each time that I post, as well as for those who feel like you did excellent, you did great, and you know that you passed. I have created videos that share what to do next, because the process in order to get your letters of recommendation and fill out the forms for the NCEES and do all these different things is a bit tedious and time consuming. And so you want to make sure that you jump on it right when you get the results. So they do let the people know that passed. They tell you first, and they alert you around. Well, from where I'm at, I took the test in North Carolina, so we're on the East Coast. So they let me know around 10-ish a.m. Eastern Standard Time that I had passed. And each time that I hadn't passed, they let me know around like 11:30 or 12. So it's an automated system. Like, they know who passed probably within a matter of 2 to 3 days, but they're not going to send that information out until they have all the data and it's organized, and they just put it in their system and it gets sent out at a specific time. So hopefully this was helpful for you all. Leave a like, leave a comment, let me know any questions that you have. I do share a lot of content on engineering content, finance content, budgeting, a lot of different things. So I am in the field of civil engineering. Been doing it for maybe 2 to 3 years. So if you have any questions just in general about what, the lifestyle of being a civil engineer is, just leave it in the comment section. As I mentioned before, I do create content surrounding this FE, because I know this is an important test for you all, and I want you to pass and further your career. I am currently going after my PE, so it's an exciting time for everyone right now. So good luck. Share this content, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.